9.2. Vehicle compliance and maintenance laws. Maintaining your vehicle in a roadworthy condition is a legal requirement. This includes regular servicing, ensuring tires have sufficient tread, at least 1.6 millimeters across the central three quarters, and keeping brakes, lights, and steering systems in good working order. MOT tests are mandatory for vehicles over 3 years old to certify roadworthiness. Failing to keep your vehicle compliant can lead to fines, penalty points, or invalid insurance. Regular checks before journeys help spot issues early, reducing the risk of breakdowns or accidents. Keeping records of maintenance also supports insurance claims and legal defense if needed. Key principles. Ensure valid MOT certification. Maintain tires, brakes, lights, and steering. Keep service and maintenance records. Conduct pre-journey safety checks.